omusomo guno gubumbujjidde ku Equatorial Hotel wano mu Kampala era nga gutegekeddwa batuuzi b'eddagala ery'omubiri aba Clean Shield Uganda Limited era nga gutandise n'amazina ag'ekinnansi. Dr. Rose Miller nga yakulira Clean Shield ettabi lya Uganda yasoose okusomesa abantu ab'enjawulo gadde ezimu kuzibatawaanya.
They say men as the big men sitting here around, we are having 60 to 60% of water in our body. And for women, as me and everybody here except that small baby, is having 70 to 80% of water. We have the brain also have some percentage of water. We have the bones also.
Dr. Rose Miller asinzidde mu musomo guno n'agumya bannayuganda nti bakola buli ekisoboka okwongera ku mutindo gw'obuweereza bwabwe. Kyokka ono ayogedde ku bimu ebibasoomooza.
The product here in Uganda is 1 year, as I mentioned, and in this 1 year I've gone through a lot of challenges, a lot, which I've never expected it could have happened. And one of the challenges is the result of the turn-up. We send messages for people to come to seminar. There is a good group. We send a message telling people the seminar is being postponed. That is something that is touching, but I thank God for their lives.
Oluvannyuma Dr. Charles Mugisha ng'ono musomesa mukenkufu okuva ku ssettendekero wa Makerere asomesezza bannayuganda ku bimu ebibalwaza.
It's the greatest polluter of the environment, but above all, it is a social divider of the people, and people have used food as a weapon in various forms.
Mu mboozi ey'akafubo n'omusasi waffe Dr. Charles Mugisha ategeezezza nga obulwaliro obutonotono bugaba eddagala nga bulwongedde okulwaza bannayuganda bangi.
It is the major role of pharmacy drugs. One is to address severe disease. Two is to address critical situation crisis. They create toxins in our bodies which lead to disease, but also we are finding a lot of resistance with these drugs, and microbial resistance is the biggest challenge that we are facing in hospitals today.
Dr. Mugisha ayongerako nti eddagala erikozesebwa mu kufuuyira ebirime ssaako n'omukka okuva mu makolero bifuukidde eddala ebyobulabe.
So now is a global problem. Pollution of the water, pollution of the air, pollution of the land, a result of human activity. And it is this human activity through factories, through the motor industry and other forms that emit carbon dioxide that are really responsible for the global warming.
Onera alabudde ku bulabu obuli mu kunywa amazzi naddala ago agava mu nsulo emigga ssaako n'enkuba.
I was a young medical officer who always told our people that what is life, people must drink water. All we minded about the water we are talking about, from the springs, from the lakes, from the rivers, from the ocean, is large molecule water. Now, unfortunately, large molecule water can only enter into your cells where it is needed most, about 20-30%.
Wabula Dr. Charles Mugisha asaba gavumenti ya kuno ssaako n'eza Africa zonna kubeera bulindaala ssaako n'okulungamya enkola ze bagobe.
The policy must be there to make sure that the drugs that are coming in are safe drugs. They are not expired drugs. The government should be in a position, and I must emphasize this, it is high time government also opens up other alternative channels of treatment. And here I'm talking about the use of natural therapy.
Nze Robert Onyango, kilomita 10 mu Kampala.